Now I'm going to show you how to install your Miko capsule using Isofix. Step 1, recline the base. Check the capsule line is level with the ground. To adjust the recline, squeeze the base handle. Step 2, Isofix connectors. Fasten both Isofix connectors. Push down and tighten. Check for green. A little movement is okay. Step 3, attach capsule. Push down firmly to lock capsule in place. Listen for the click. Step 4, attach the top tether. Attach the hook. And tighten. Now you're ready to go. Step 5, removing the capsule. When you get to your destination, detach the hook. Simply release and lift out the capsule. Step 6, attaching to stroller. Simply use the stroller adapters to attach the capsule. If you need any more help, please visit the website or call Maxi Cosi.